What's up, guys? So welcome back to the channel. If you haven't watched the channel before, then welcome to my channel, which is Suave92. I know I haven't posted in a while. I didn't really have anything to post. I didn't want to make some more boring videos, but today I got something for you guys. It's a new part for the car, and I'm not going to be doing like a real install video, probably just like a time lapse of everything, kind of speed through it and just show you some exhaust clips. Well, I guess I kind of spoiled it for you. It's an exhaust, but I'm gonna do it before and after, and then you guys go ahead and tell me what you think. So without further ado, let me show you what it is. Here in all of its glory, Vrsf street exhaust. Just got it today. Just kind of already opened it, so I was trying to look at what was all in there. I'm gonna slam the fuck out of that box. But yeah, so here's everything. You know, there's the muffler, and then secondary cat, and then mid pipe. You know, everything should be here. I think this is, yeah, one of the, I was taking a look at one of the tips just to compare it to the stock ones. But this is a 3.5 inch tip. I think it might want to do a 4, just because I like the way they look more. But this is nice too. We'll run that for now. I'm gonna get everything prepped up, get the car up, and then get the tools out and stuff, and then I'll meet you back outside. Sitting out. So right now I have the arm 3.5 inch catless downpipes into the regular secondary cats. I mean, it's pretty much stock after the 3.5 downpipes, and then to the mufflers we did the PE mod. So this sounds pretty nice, and then I'll throw in an exhaust clip what that sounds like. So right now I'm gonna get this taken off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the new exhaust and then put some more sound clips, and I think that'll wrap up this video, so I'll see you then. Guys, so I just finished up the install of the Vrsf exhaust. So there it is. This is it. It's all dirty right now because my hands are super filthy from trying to get this done, but I mean, it's on now. It's all bolted up and stuff. I don't know what happened. I think there's like a small alignment that I messed up somewhere because it's off. And you can tell right here, like the tip is right here, and it's bothering the fuck out of me. And on this side, it's, I mean, I think this is how it's supposed to look, but right here, it's super fucking messed up. So I'm gonna have to fix this later, but I mean, it's late right now and I got work tomorrow, but it's on, and I'll do some exhaust clips right now and kind of show you before and after. So I'm gonna set this up, and yeah, hope you like it. yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys like it. I'll probably do some driving clips later on. Once I get the car down, take it for a little test drive right now and throw some of those clips in there. But that should be the end of the video.